welcome to CKA Cert Hands-On channel. The purpose of my channel is to get people who want to give CKA 2025 exam get started on their hands-on practicing journey once they finish the formal course of CKA and have a basic understanding of Kubernetes concepts. This creates the depth in your understanding of each concept and helps you crack CKA exam. CKA exam consists of questions from 5 different categories. We are currently in troubleshooting category that has 30% weightage in CKA exam. I have a playlist for each category of CKA exam. Please do check out my playlist for networking and storage categories that carries 20% and 10% weightage. The links for the playlists are provided in every video. With that introduction, let's get started with today's video. This is the 11th video in the troubleshooting series. Let's set the context. It says stream deployment is not up to date, observed 0 under the up to date. It should be 1. Troubleshoot, fix the issue and make sure the deployment is up to date. So let's do get deployments, Kubernetes get deployments, and what it is saying for stream deployment is the up to date status is 0 and ready, basically the deployment is not up to date. One of the first things you do with any Kubernetes resource is describe that resource. So I'll say describe deployment and then see if you get anything in the events there. The event is none. You can see here 0 replicas created. Yeah, one of the things I can notice straight away is the number of replicas is 0 desired, 0 updated. So there's no number for the number of replicas. We need to have at least one replica. So if you see pods, let's see if it even has a pods. If you see for it did not even try to create any pods related to the deployment because the number of replicas is 0. So what I'm going to do is edit the deployment and check the replicas section. Okay, search for replica. So you can see here in the spec the number of replicas is actually 0. That's why it did not even try to create anything. So we'll just update it to 1 and see what happens. And if you see get pods, yeah, now if you can see that it's in a container creating stage and you can even describe the pod. Yeah, so it has successfully assigned, just done the scheduling, and then it pulls the image and then it creates the container and it has started the container. So the pod related to the deployment has started. And now if we do Kubernetes get deployments, we can see that now the deployment is ready and also it's up to date and it is available. And if you describe the deployment, earlier we saw that there was no event. You should have something there. Yeah, so you can see that it scaled up replica set from 0 to 1. So because initially the number of desired replicas was 0 and you can see that now it is 1 and it is updated to 1 as well. So that is how you troubleshoot issues related to deployments and replica sets. Let's check the solution and the validation is successful. Now if you my request for everyone watching is that I've been getting a lot of support watching my videos, but the number of likes, nobody is liking my videos. Plus please, I request you to please do support me by liking my videos if my videos have been helpful, and also subscribe to my channel. And I will be providing the KillerCoda link and the relevant documentation, Kubernetes documentation links, and also the playlist link for every category in each one of my videos. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also like and share my videos. I'll see you in next video. Thanks. Bye.